Artificial quartz, also known as engineered stone, is made from quartz crystals and resin binder. It is mostly seen as an alternative to granite or marble in the construction industry. Our slabs are sized at 10 feet by 5.5 feet, and each slab starts their life as sand and powder imported from all over the world. Sand and powder are mixed in 11 industrial-size mixers, where resin and color pigment is also added. Our color lab is equipped with the latest technologies that allow us to produce any color desired. This mixture is then transferred to the handcrafting zone with the help of conveyor belts that spread throughout the plant like arteries. At the handcrafting zone, workers carefully lay the mixture onto pre-cut molds. This is a highly specialized process that requires a lot of skill, patience, and knowledge. The vein-like designs are carefully scraped out before the mold is lifted, exposing the gaps which will soon be filled with the appropriate vein color. Now, the slabs are ready to be forged into shape with the help of two 25-ton pressing machines. The slabs can spend up to 5 minutes under these massive industrial presses before being baked in an oven for 2 hours. This specialized oven is integrated with an automated lift that keeps slabs rotating to ensure the heat is distributed evenly. The slabs are then transferred onto the polishing line with the help of a specialized goods carrier and an overhead crane. The polishing line is almost 400 feet long and has multiple stations, starting with the calibration zone. These 400 kg slabs are then turned 180 degrees to polish the visible top section. After calibration, the slabs are rolled onto the polishing belt where the bottom section of these slabs are cut using laser precision. Polishing is done in several stages, with 7, 11, 12, and 16 head calibrating machines all used before being sent to the quality inspection zone. Here, our highly trained quality control team looks for visible defects. If any are found, they are marked and the slabs are returned to the polishing section to be fixed. The factory is also equipped with a state-of-the-art lab facility where the finished products are tested for quality and durability. The facility is also used for R&D purposes. New designs and colors are all generated from our own labs. If these are approved by potential customers, then these designs are rolled out for commercial production. The production of a product as intricate as artificial quartz requires highly skilled workers. Our slabs are 100% customizable, and hence, design options are only limited to one's imagination. Each slab we produce in any particular design is identical, allowing us to cater to customers looking for designs to flow uniformly. The slabs we produce measure 10 feet by 5.5 feet, allowing our customers to lay the slabs with very minimal joints. Artificial quartz in general is heat-resistant, easy to clean, scratch-resistant, chip-proof, and since these slabs are recyclable, engineered stone is extremely environmentally friendly. Artificial quartz slabs are commonly used as tabletops, kitchen counters, statement wall pieces, and flooring.